Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u square. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about 2u du. We put u square going here and here. Because I want to cancel about the square root, this one we change by this one. The square root of u square you got about u. Number 2 we put outside. U and u we got about u square. Next, I will put negative number 1 in here. That means we need to put about positive number 1. Because I want to create about this one divided by this one. This one divided by this one, you got about 1. Next, u square minus 1, that's about identity. I put about u minus 1, u plus 1. So I will multiply by number 2 on numerator and denominator. Number 2, that's about 1 plus 1. So I will add about u. That means we need to minus about u. This one we can do about the factor, that's about negative open the parenthesis u minus 1. So u plus 1 divided by u plus 1, u minus 1 divided by u minus 1. So we will have about 1 over u minus 1 minus 1 over u plus 1. Now 1 over 2 multiplied by this one and this one. So we can get the final answer. The integration of number 1 you got about u. The integration of this one we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. And the second one, that's about negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides. So you got about u equals to the square root of s. So we put this one to replace for u. This is the end. Thank you for watching.